Hi guys, now I'm showing write a Java program to format seconds in the time. So now watch it here. So that change the format in seconds. So you know that it's very difficult, but there's very simple program. So I have to write almost 10 lines program. I have to easy to understand that. So now watch it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that I have to get the approximately. So now here first we have to explain the program. So this is the import files in Java programming. So in the C and C++ we have used the header files. So in there we have used the import files like in Java. So now import space java.text.simple date format and import space java.util.date. So here this is the we have these two files, we have to import that and simple date format, and here watch it. So in the imported files the first characters should be in capital. That's very important. And here this is the class and this is the class name. So every class the first character should be must be in capital. So Java is a case sensitive programming language. You have to do a capitals and small. That's a very small mistake, you know that, but this cross the programming error. So otherwise this is the case sensitive programming, so we have to get easy to understand it. So now here this is the main function in Java. So in C and C we have used the get main or void main or int main. So now in the Java we have used the public static void main string args. So args means nothing but an arguments. Now here this brackets put on here or here. Now here we have to use the date. So import file, that is a date space date equal to new date and a simple date format space SDF. Now here we have to import these two files. Now we have to use these two files. Now here simple date format space SDF equal to new simple date format, that is SS. So here this is the very important, that is SS means the file the format is changed to seconds. So every time you must know these letters. So in months, in minutes, in times, in hours, the characters are changed in here. And here system.out.println, that is the print statement in Java programming. So in now in the system is the first character system is must be in capital, and the seconds in SS format is plus STF dot format of date. So this is the program and we have to close the program. So now this time I will save this program at particular location. Now here save here. So I have to save this file in a particular location, that was here. So now that is a D drive and JJava. Now I have to save it main.java. So the class name of the file name must should be near equal, that is a Java. So that's a very important thing. So some people don't do this. So here on the main.java here, and now I will save it. Now here the file is saved at here. So in this folder there is no more other files out there, no other folders are there also. So I will compile this program now. So in the C and C++ I do not save the file, but it's compile and execute. That does not work in Java. So you have to compile and execute the program. You must save in your computer. So now here we have to enter in this location, that is a D drive and JJava. Now we have to enter the D drive and now have to enter the JJava. Now here this is the JJava folder, and in that we have to compile this program. Now type java c main.java. So here java c means the Java compiler. So Java compiler compile the Java file. So in that here after the compilation is completed successfully, in this folder the dot class file has been created automatically. Now click here to start the compilation. So here watch it. So here there is no more errors there. So here the dot class file has been created automatically. So otherwise we have to execute the program. It shows that. Now this time I will execute this program. Now type java space main. So what's the difference between the compilation and execution? So the compilation we have to give the compiler, that is a java c, and we have to compile with the file name, and we have to execute the class name. Now click enter to start the execution. Now click enter. So watch the seconds in this format. It's now 52. So this time the second is 52. So now execute again. So now here this the format of second is 0. Now again execute, that is the 4 and that is the 6 now that is 7. So this is the way to change the format in seconds in Java programming. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.